everyone, how are you? I'm Heather, I'm the Bent Yogi. I love my dogs. I love a hot power flow class, and my studio, Sanctuary Power Yoga, is hot. And if you haven't checked it out yet, hop over to the studio website, sanctuarypoweryoga.com. I teach class there 6 days a week, and so you can catch a full-length class with me in the studio or on Zoom. All right, so I love hot power yoga, and my studio's hot. My home studio here is not. So this is a fast, fiery flow to build some heat from the inside. And we're going to get started in downward facing dog. And as we get started, I think it's important to remember that it's a fast, fiery flow. Hopefully it's challenging, hopefully it's fun. It's still your yoga practice, right? So remember that, your yoga practice. Why do you get on your mat? Why do you practice yoga? What's your intention? And it might not be one simple answer. For me, it's a pretty big answer, but I'll tell you that I practice to challenge myself. I practice to cultivate strength, but also to cultivate ease and grace and joy so that whether it's a challenging moment on my mat or off my mat, I can tap into those things. So let's do it. Let's tap into some fire, some heat. Let's remember to have fun and enjoy ourselves. If you're not in your downward dog already, come on, join me in downward dog. Start to tap into your ujjayi breath if that's something that you practice. So that builds a lot of heat from the inside. Bring your feet together and a little bit forward. Take your right leg up to the sky. Come on forward to your high push-up. Draw your right knee into your chest. Really tuck in, lift out of your shoulders, belly in and up. Inhale up and back to your three-legged dog. High push-up, right knee above and outside your right elbow. Feel if you can bring it forward. Tap above your arm. You can drop to a low push-up if you like. Inhale up and back, three-legged dog. High push-up, right knee above and outside your left elbow. So there's lift and twist. And then go ahead, take that right foot over to the left. Roll into your right hand. Let your heels spin to the right. Lift your left arm up for your side plank variation. Take a really big inhale here. Exhale, left hand comes down. Right leg goes up and back to your three-legged dog. Now keep that right leg straight and lifted. Come on forward to your high push-up. Might have to adjust a little bit. Pause. Forward, halfway down, low push-up. Drop your right foot. Upward dog. Inhale, downward dog. Exhale. Feet together, a little bit forward. Now take your left leg up to the sky. Belly in and up. Strong breath. Stay tapped into your intention. Come on forward to your high push-up. Draw your knee into your chest. You can tuck your nose in, lift out of your shoulders. Inhale up and back, three-legged dog. High push-up, left knee above and outside your left elbow. Again, you have the option for the low push-up here. Strong through your right leg. Inhale up and back, three-legged dog. High push-up, left knee above and outside your right elbow. So go ahead, bring it forward. Find that twist. Now, extend your left foot to the right. Roll into your left hand gracefully. Let your right hand float up to the sky. Take a big inhale here. Right hand comes down. Left leg goes up and back. Three-legged dog. Now with that leg straight and lifted, slide forward to your high push-up. Little pause. Forward, halfway down, low push-up. Drop the foot. Upward dog. Inhale, downward dog. Exhale. Take a big breath in. And as you exhale, step or jump to the front of your mat. Halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come on up to stand. Reach your hands high, lift up, look up. Draw your hands to your heart. Pause for a moment. Remember your intention or set an intention. For me it is strength, grace, joy. Inhale, hands sweep high, reach up. Fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift. Inhale, hands to your mat. High push-up to low push-up. Exhale. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a big breath in here. Exhale, step or jump to the front. Halfway lift. Inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, come on up to stand, reach up, lift up. Fold forward, exhale. halfway lift, inhale. High push-up to low push-up, exhale. Inhale, upward facing dog, exhale, downward facing dog. Long breath in through your nose. Exhale, step or jump to the front. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, come on up from the ground, lift up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. Chaturanga, low push-up. You can step or jump back. Upward dog, big breath in, downward dog, breath out. Take a big inhale. Exhale, walk or jump forward. Lightly, halfway lift, inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come on up. Reach up, lengthen up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. Chaturanga, low push-up, step or jump. Upward dog, big breath in, downward dog, breath out. Nice, you guys. Let's do that one more time. Big inhale, exhale, step or jump forward. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, come on up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. High push-up to low push-up, exhale. Inhale, upward dog, exhale, downward facing dog. Come on forward to your high push-up. Lift your right foot. Take your right foot, tap it out to the right, and then center. Go light and center. Take it to the right, belly in and up, center. Right, center. Take your foot to the right, light tap, back to center, right foot comes down. Now left foot lifts. Left foot goes to the left, center. Go left, center. Take it to the left, center. Strong core, strong breath, left, center. Go to the left, center. Pause, both feet on your mat. Forward, halfway down, low push-up. Upward dog. Inhale, come on back to your low push-up, back to your high push-up, back to your downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in here. Exhale, step or jump to the front. Halfway lift. Inhale, exhale, fold. Chair pose, Utkatasana. Come on up, bring your hands to your heart. Now sit down, heart stays lifted. Big inhale, twist to your right. Left elbow towards the outside of your right thigh. Right, tapping into the fire in your belly, cultivating some fiery energy, some heat. You can separate your hands. You can stay with your hands at your heart. If you usually come into side crow here, stay here. Let the fire build in your legs. And then cultivate that. Doesn't have to be overwhelming. Feeling sensation and letting that be a reminder of what you're doing and why you're here. Now, stay in this twist, shift the weight of your body into your right foot, start to slide your left foot back, and let your left foot lift, your left shin come parallel to the ground, so you have a little bit of balance. Take a big inhale, big step back, crescent lunge twist. Land here. Lengthen through your left leg. If you can lift a little higher, open up, take a big inhale, and a big exhale. On your next inhale, come up and around to your warrior two. Nice long stance here, deep bend in your front knee. Right hand high reverse. Exhale, hands down to your mat. High push up to low push up. Upward dog. Inhale, downward dog. Exhale. Take a big breath in. Exhale, step or jump to the front. Halfway lift. Inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to stand, reach up. Fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. High push up to low push up, exhale. Inhale, upward facing dog, exhale, downward facing dog. Come on forward to your high push up. You can take your feet a little bit wider, that helps with balance. Take your right hand, reach it forward and tap, bring it back. Left hand forward, tap, bring it back. Go right and left. Engage through your core, right and left. Right and left. Couple more. Right and left. Because I lost count. Go right and left. Let's do one more each side. Reach right, reach left. Now come back to your high push-up. Adjust your hands and your feet. Take a big inhale. Forward and halfway down, low push-up. Upward dog. Inhale. Back to your low push-up. Back to your high push-up. Back to your low push-up, upward dog. One more time, low push-up, high push-up, back to your downward dog. Nice work. Take a breath in. Exhale, step or jump to the front. Halfway lift. Inhale, exhale, fold. Utkatasana. 2 feet on your mat, hands come to your heart. Sit low, keep your heart lifted. Big inhale, twist to your left. Keep lifting your heart. Keep doing what cultivates your fire and your energy. Keep doing what helps you to lift your heart and raise your vibration. Now you can keep your hands together. You can open up. Again, if you usually come into side crow here, stay in the twist. Feel your feet on your mat. Nice long spine. Steady breath. Drishti will help here. Shift the weight of your body into your left foot. Start to slide your right foot back. Bring your right shin to parallel with the ground. Take a big breath in. Step back. Crescent lunge twist. You might adjust where you have your right hand. Feel if you can keep lengthening, rinsing right in your center so you can lift your heart. Now on your next inhale, come up and around to your warrior two. Find your footing, bend your front knee, lengthen through your arms and your fingers. Spin your palms to the sky, left hand high reverse, exhale, hands come down to your mat. High push up to low push up, upward dog. Inhale, downward dog, exhale. Come on forward to your high push up. Once more, take your feet wide. Here, lift your left foot, lift your right arm. A lot of balance, strong through your core. Big inhale, exhale, elbow and knee touch under you. Inhale, extend out. Exhale, squeeze in, set your gaze. Inhale, extend out. Exhale, squeeze in. Inhale, extend out. Hand and foot come back. Ready for the other side? Right foot lifts, left hand lifts. Ground into your right hand, core engaged, big inhale. Exhale, elbow and knee touch under you. Inhale, extend out. Exhale, squeeze in. I hope you're smiling. Inhale, extend out. Exhale, squeeze in. Inhale, extend out. Hand and foot come back down. Take a big inhale here. Forward and down, low push-up. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now take a big breath in. As you exhale, step or jump your feet through your hands, sit down, lie down, and come right up into your wheel. So you can come up to bridge, but I invite you to lift right up into your wheel. Listen to your body. If it doesn't work for your back, for your body in any way, to come into a wheel right now, come on up into bridge. Lift your heart, lengthen through the sides of your body. Take one more big inhale, and then nice and easy. Come on down. Come onto your back, feet together, knees wide. One hand to your heart, one hand to your belly. Now, take a big inhale through your nose. Here, open your mouth. Empty out. This is my favorite point. Well, one of my favorite points in all practices. Now you can feel your heartbeat. You can feel what you've done. You can feel your strength. And you can be at ease in your strength and in your power. Draw your knees into your chest. Give them a squeeze. And let's set up for a sleeping pigeon, just a short sleeping pigeon. Right foot across your left thigh. You can draw your legs in. And if you want to set up a traditional half pigeon, you can. You can let your breath lengthen and deepen here. And you can check in. Let's switch sides. Because we moved through that flow. It was pretty fast. We built some heat. I know I built some heat. I feel good. And if you didn't get a chance to check in, check in now. Did you stay with your intention? Were you able to challenge yourself and still Maintain your intention. For me, yes, balance and ease and grace. And it was fun. And draw your knees into your chest, give them a squeeze, and set up for a short Shavasana. So now, Shavasana. All right, let's integrate this fire, our intention, into our whole being so we can take it with us when we get off our mat. Take a big breath in. Open your mouth, empty out. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Bring some gentle movement back to your body. Knees to your chest. You can roll to one side and slowly make your way to seated. Hands to your heart. Set your gaze. Lower your gaze or close your eyes. And pause once more. Feel your fire, your passion, your power. Feel your intention, ease and joy, and so much more. Together, let's take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Drawing your thumbs to your forehead, to your third eye center. Together we say, Namaste. Thanks, you guys. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you built some heat. I hope you had fun. I do teach 6 days a week at my studio, Sanctuary Power Yoga, and our classes are in the studio, but they're also on Zoom, so check it out, sanctuarypoweryoga.com. You can also catch full-length classes with me at my Patreon page, which is thebentyogi.com. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you're notified as new videos come out. Most importantly, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll see you on your mat.